Welcome to my YouTube channel Statisticians Club. I hope everyone is fine. Please subscribe the channel. Also press bell icon to receive latest videos. Today in this video we learn how to calculate correlation with the help of RStudio. In this video we solve Pearson, Kendall and Spearman's correlation in RStudio. In first step we import our data. Click on import data. I save my data in Excel file, so click on from Excel. Browse. I save my data on desktop, so click on desktop with the name gauging station. Open. Here you can import your data. Now attach your data in console. Write the word attach. Small brackets. Copy the name of your data file. Paste here in attach. Enter. Now your data is attached. You can check by writing the variable name. Our first variable is x, so enter x. Here is the data set. Y. Here is the data set. So now first of all, to calculate the correlation, check the package of R where is correlation is available. So here is packages. Check the list. The package name of correlation is ggpubr. So check here. Here is the package ggpubr. Click in box. Your package is load. So now we perform correlation in RStudio because we load our data and load the required package. So its code is COR small bracket variable name method to be used here is the name of method. First we solve it with Pearson. Enter. Here is the answer with the help of Pearson correlation. Now we try other method. Variable name Kendall. Enter. Here is the correlation with method Kendall. And now we solve it for Spearman. Variable name method write the method name enter. Here is the answer of Spearman correlation. So in this way you can solve correlation with the help of RStudio. Thanks for watching. If you want to see video on correlation with MATLAB, correlation with Excel, then click the links in front of your screen. Thanks.